Hello, guys. Welcome to another week of trading. It's another week that the good Lord in heaven has made. And as usual, I'm excited. I'm excited about the opportunities that we have ahead of us. I'm excited for the opportunities that we had. I'm grateful for the points that were collected. People or anyone who followed my breakdown last week prior to this event, prior to NFP. Where's that event again? July. Let me just go forward, yeah? Connection is a little bit weak because of the rain. So basically, anyone who followed my breakdown of the 7th should basically have collected some points for themselves. Because if I just want to retrace, this was NFP, right? Friday the 7th, right here. And on that Friday the 7th, we had off of this. You see, that connection is not so strong. I'm trying to pick. I need to go. Okay, July the 7th. This was what came out on Friday the 7th. We had very bad results, negative results on non-farmers employment change (NFP) from the U.S. Basically, what the data shows or tells us was that less people are getting employed by the corporate sector, and the markets reacted immediately. Right off the bat, we had this strong Marubozo candle, um, and the market literally sank from 103, 128, right up to 102, 235. And right now, we can see the market is retesting. We're basically in the zone of support. And as usual, if I give you a bigger view of this market, try to reset this chart, you can clearly see for yourself that this market is in a strong downtrend. Tried to rebound, but now this support around 102 to 11 is holding. This week, my prediction is that we're going to have probably, if I go back to this week, we're going to have probably two or three good opportunities. One is going to be on Wednesday, because on Wednesday we have core CPI. And what does CPI measure? It measures the change in price of goods and services purchased by consumers. And basically, traders like looking at this data because consumer prices account for a majority of overall inflation. So we're going to have that piece of information on Wednesday. And if it's actually greater than the forecast, it is going to be good for the dollar and vice versa. Guys, I do all my analysis on the dollar because it creates counterpart opportunities for other pairs. Now, what am I looking at? What am I seeing? We have the support around 102 to 11. And, you know, watch out for these zones. And again, every single week, market does the same thing. We could have a breakout here, a retest, and a continuation up to the support level. Or we could see the market, breaking out of the zone, coming back here and going back to this resistance level. And we are going to apply our counterpart trading accordingly. Now, because there was weakness, like I just showed you, this Marabolo candle on Friday, there was a lot of strength in the euro, in the pound, and the dollar counterparts. If I'm looking at the euro on Friday, you can see the strength over there. This is that same euro on Friday. That was Friday the 7th over there. You can see it shot right and gave us as much as 7 points. And now again, it is retesting. So again, if the dollar continues being weak, then we could see, take this one off, the euro grow right up to this level, right up to this next resistance level, which I've marked it up by the way. It's a zone around 110, 900. So guys, I think we're going to have good movements on Wednesday. I'm not too sure about tomorrow, but if we have a good, clear breakouts, by price action, then definitely myself and my guys, we will be making those moves. And again, Thursday, we should see something interesting. So, guys, that's it for the week. I wish you guys the best. I wish you guys the very, very best. Word of advice: always trade what you see. Do not ever trade what you think. I wish you guys the best on this trading week, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed week and stay safe. God bless. Bye.